vacuum knife. This one's gonna hurt, I think. Oh, I hate it when it hurts. Okay, there's that one. This one needs to come off. Wish I could just leave it on there, but I'll try it up screwing something up if I leave it on. Not gonna leave it on. One thing that I should leave on there, this fuel line that feeds the rail. Actually, no, it's not feeding the rail. No. Through the regulator. Okay. It's tiny, so it's kind of weird. It's really, really hard to get on. I don't even have it on all the way. That's bad news. And then I can... disconnect the map sensor. And then, oh, I got more stuff in here somewhere. You take the injector connectors and take them out of the way so they're not all squished and ripped and cut and raped and everything. Like so. Oh. Just like that. Oh, come on. Let's see anything. Okay, 12